Hey, hello guys. So as you can see here, so our production line, high tower fertilizer granulation line, is producing another formula, 25, 10, 16. That is the percentage of the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And so as you can see now, if we take a closer look at this granule, you can see this is the batch that you see like in the video. So according to different percentage of the raw materials, also the granule size will change. So for example, in our last video, the purple ones, you can see the granule, or the white ones, the granules are a lot more bigger than this one, but that is because of the raw material used. So basically, this is our production line that is currently producing this orange color, fully water soluble NPK compound fertilizer. So yeah, thank you guys.